By special request, I had somebody ask how they could use hazelnut because they really like hazelnut. And so I went to great lengths to make sure I could figure out how to use hazelnut into a treat and a snack. Now, a lot of people like the Nutella because that's hazelnut, but I wanted to make it and take out a lot of that sugar. So let's see how I put that together. I'm going to call these hazelnut chocolate balls. We're going to put 1 cup of hazelnut butter, 8 dates that are pitted, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of water, and a dash of salt. We're going to blend all these ingredients in a food processor until they're smooth. Then we're going to refrigerate for at least 4 hours, possibly even overnight. Roll them into small balls, and then we're going to put shredded coconut all around them. We're going to cover and refrigerate until it's time to serve. Let's get started with this. But before we do, I want you to know that right here in Intestinal Health Book in Part 2, we've got lots of great healthy recipes, including desserts and snacks, just like the hazelnut chocolate balls. You will really learn a lot from this book and be able to make delicious recipes. So let's get started putting together the ingredients. Right here, it's difficult to find hazelnut butter that doesn't already have the chocolate in it. But I was able to find this online, so if you want to make it like this, with your own special ingredients and no sugar, you're going to have to find the hazelnut butter without any of the chocolate in it. Otherwise, you would omit the chocolate and you would just put in hazelnut with chocolate. That's your choice. So I've got it right here, and I'm going to pour in 8 ounces. So it just so happens this jar of it is 8 ounces. Like I said, I found this online. I just ordered it. It came right to my door. And it's so delicious. Sometimes I'll even put it onto crackers and eat it just like it is. She had a good idea. Now we're going to put in 8 dates that have been pitted. Two tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. If you don't want more vanilla like that, you can cut back on the vanilla, even though it adds a beautiful flavor, and you can make it 2 tablespoons of water instead. Finally, we add 1 tablespoon of water. And we're going to put a dash of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. We're going to snap on the lid, and we're going to start blending on high until it's smooth. Now that it's finished, we're going to take that lid off, and look at this beauty here. Look at that. That's ready to put in the fridge so we can roll it after it's turned solid. Let's place it in a bowl. Look at this. Now we've got it placed in our bowl. We're going to cover this with saran wrap, and we're going to leave it for the night in the refrigerator, or at least 4 hours until it's firm so you can roll it into small balls. Now I bet it's nice and firm and it's ready to be rolled into small balls, and then we roll it into the coconut, and they are so delicious. I call them poppers. And my friend is going to be so happy I made her a hazelnut treat, and you are going to love serving these because everybody at your family and your friends are going to love these poppers. Let's see how to put them together. So now you can see what happens after it sits overnight. We've got it nice and solid, and it's cold, so it's going to roll really easily. We're going to take our shredded coconut. We're going to take small bits of this because I call them poppers. We're going to just take them in our hands, and we're going to roll them and squish them together. They're gonna be a little greasy, but that's how they hold together. They're just delicious. Squish them and push them together. And then we're gonna take them and we're gonna roll them into our coconut. Press it in so you get a nice firm coconut pressed into the sides. We're gonna place them out like that. Let's do a few more. Wow. Look at this beautiful arrangement of these hazelnut chocolate popper balls. I bet you can't wait to taste them because I know I can't wait either. So let's try them out. Yum. These look incredible. I am gonna try one out. I wanted to tip it so you could be sure to see. Look at this. Delectable. Take a taste. So what I've got is a beautiful blend of the hazelnut butter with a hint of chocolate and then the crunch and the outer coating of the coconut makes this perfect savory ball to have. And it's nutritious, high in protein too. Who knew? This is your go-to snack from now on.